Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The most beautiful production Aston Martin motorhome ever built is a hypothetical idea. A rare short Foretravel FS450 for sale is an intriguing fusion of two worlds: the well-known luxury of high-end motorhomes and the unmatched automotive craftsmanship of Aston Martin. This idea evokes a concept of custom craftsmanship and stunning design applied to a mobile home, specifically using a rare, shorter variant of the prestigious Foretravel FS450 chassis. Even though there isn't an official Aston Martin motorhome, the exterior of such a vehicle would be a brilliant example of fusing the spacious form of a luxury RV with Aston Martin's renowned design language. One would expect flowing, sculpted lines that reflect the grace and athleticism of an Aston Martin Grand Tourer in place of a boxy, utilitarian structure. The front fascia would be dominated by the iconic Aston Martin grille, which might be somewhat bigger and more elegant. It would be flanked by streamlined, jewel-like LED headlights that feature the brand's unique lighting signature. The bodywork would probably be made of lightweight, cutting-edge materials, perhaps even carbon fiber, and painted in rich, glossy Aston Martin paint colors. Aerodynamics would be the top priority, with integrated features and delicate curves intended to reduce drag and improve aesthetic coherence. The exterior's elegant look would be completed with carefully placed chrome highlights and custom alloy wheels, possibly modeled after those on Aston Martin sports cars but sized for the camper. The short Foretravel FS450 classification implies a platform that is more agile but nevertheless roomy, enabling a sleek profile without compromising necessary living spaces. The most beautiful production claim would be supported by an interior that goes beyond standard RV luxury when you step inside an Aston Martin motorhome. It would be a fully customized cabin, painstakingly constructed from the best materials available in the luxury housing and automotive industries. Seating, wall panels, and possibly even ceiling portions would be embellished with hand-stitched bridge of leather in distinctive Aston Martin colors. Cabinetry and trim would be adorned with polished veneers of exotic wood, maybe from sustainable forests, inlaid with elaborate designs. With finely carved fixtures and robust metal switchgear, every touchpoint would radiate excellence. Despite being opulent, the layout would be thoughtfully planned for comfort and usefulness when traveling. There would be comfortable, ergonomic seats in the living room that could be rearranged for eating or lounging. Culinary connoisseurs would be satisfied by a gourmet kitchen furnished with high-end integrated appliances, exquisite cabinetry, and possibly a wine cooler. With a custom-designed bed, lots of storage, and a luxurious en-suite bathroom with a large shower and high-end fixtures, the master suite would be a haven of comfort. The interior would remain neat and uncluttered thanks to clever storage options and concealed compartments. In terms of technology, the Aston Martin motorhome would smoothly include cutting-edge equipment, all managed by an easy-to-use interface that might have an Aston Martin motif. Standard features would include sophisticated climate management, high-fidelity audio systems, and cutting-edge connectivity choices like satellite internet. A smooth and steady ride would be guaranteed thanks to the sturdy chassis of the Foretravel FS450, which might be improved with a specially designed suspension system adjusted by Aston Martin. In the end, this fictitious Aston Martin motorhome would be more than just a means of transportation. It would be a mobile display of unmatched automotive craftsmanship and a practical yet stunning example of luxury on the highway. Together with the Aston Martin moniker, its rare status would solidify its standing as a collector's item and a distinctive symbol of sophisticated adventure.